Hello Jessica, my name is Angel Diaz from Audi VW in Fall River, and today I just want to take some time to show you your 2023 Audi A3. Let's check it out. All right, Jessica, and there you have it. Here is your 2023 Audi A3 that you are currently looking at. The color of it is brilliant black. You have your Audi traditional lights, full automatic LED headlights with high beam assist. You have that great grille in the front that's notorious for Audis. You got the 4 rings in the front. This does come with pre-collision system, side assist, all the type of features that you want on this vehicle. It does have it. If you move a little bit around the side, as you can see, all the sensors are masked right in the front bumper as well as in the rear. You do have these beautiful 5-arm Audi design alloy wheels with all-season tires on them. If we move a little bit further along, they do come with keyless entry on every door. Great feature to have on these vehicles. As you can see, all the body lines, you might not be able to see it too much because of the rain, but it has great body lines right on the side of this vehicle. And we'll move towards the back of the vehicle. Check out that beautiful design in the back. You have those Audi lights in the back as well, the tail lights, also LED. You have your A3, letting you know it's an A3 Quattro on the side. Like I said, they mask really well the sensors for rear cross traffic alert and pedestrian warning. Now check this out. You do get a lot of great space. The A3 may be a little smaller, but you get a lot of great space in the trunk. You get your monster mats, you get your regular mats as well. That's what I do like. And you got everything that you need. You also get a cargo mat. I love it. Down here, you do get your space saver tire as well. Let's close this, and I just want to show you the rear of this A3 and check that out. As you can see, beautiful design. You got black leather, white stitching going all the way around the vehicle. Let me take a seat right over here. As you can see, it may be a little compact, but you have plenty of space on this. Check out the room over here. I'm about 5'10". You do get a great feature with these vehicles. As you can see, the grooves over here in the back of these seats, that's so the person behind you can have more space to fit back here for their knees. You get 2 ports for USB-C in the back. You can control your temperature back here. So you got tri-zone climate control on this vehicle. Over here, get your beautiful armrest, 2 more cup holders aside from the ones on the door. You also get rear interior lighting back here as well. Also LED lights, so at night it does illuminate it very well. And now I want to take you to the front so we can see the front of this vehicle. Okay, let's go for it. All right. Okay, Jessica, and here we are. I'm sitting on the driver's seat, ready to show you a couple of things in this vehicle. And first, let's start over here with the door panels. You have a few buttons over here. One thing I do love about the Audis, you have the child lock right over here at your disposal. You have 4 power windows, and to adjust your mirrors over here, which if you go down, you could engage the heated mirrors, which is great to have. And on the other side, you can engage the power folding mirrors, as you can see. We can put that back. There we go. Love that. You have 2 memory seatings over here, which also, what I do love, keep track of your mirrors, where you set your mirrors to. So you also have memory mirrors as well. You got your lock buttons over here. One thing that I do love about the mirrors, on the side, this car is actually equipped with side assist. I want to show you. If someone's in your blind spot, this is what you're gonna see. Little light over here illuminating. Right behind the steering wheel over here, you do have your automatic headlights. Obviously the Audi rings right over here. You also get paddle shifters with these right in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but great feature to have if you do want to shift on your shift gears on your own. You have this great digital infotainment system over here, this nice 10-inch display. You got these digital clusters as well. You hit view and it actually minimizes it, and you can go to the side and look at different features on this vehicle if you want the navigation on there. On the right hand side, you can pick up your calls, voice command, the radio. You got this little dial for the volume as well. If we move a little over to the side, right to the middle of the screen, that is your other 10-inch display that you will most likely be looking at a lot. As you can see right now, right on the left hand side, you have different buttons to help you guide you to wherever you want to get to. Usually people go to home. You have more options over here, whether like as you can see, it's touchscreen as well. Over a little further down, you got your comfort zone with your heated seats over here as well. You can control your temperature, where you want the air coming out of. Let's go a little further down so you can see a little bit more buttons over here. You can switch to different drive modes. Once you hit this button, it will pop up top. You can go right through the different drive modes: comfort, auto, dynamic. Your traction control, that's that stop start button right over here. You do have your hazard lights there as well, and you have more options for your safety features over here to turn on and off. These are your parking sensors as well. Let's turn this button right on just so you can see it. There you go. And it actually displays this beautiful backup camera as well. As you can see the trajectory, you can turn the wheel and it guides you, lets you know exactly where you're going. Love that. If you go a little further down, you do have a lot of connections to be able to charge your phone. I love that. You have right over here, you set your phone down, and that is a wireless charger. This is your shifter. As long as you have your foot on your brake, just push it up for reverse, down for the neutral, and you got drive over here. Once it's time to put it in park, hit the button right here. That is the park button. You have an electronic parking brake. You have two more amazing cup holders over here. Last but not least, I do want to go over the great seat over here that we have. Like I said, black leather interior, gray rock stitching going all along the side. Check out the side over here. You have a lot of leather wrapped on the armrest on the door. You have a little bit of wood grain kind of going on over here with the Quattro sign, letting you know that it is Quattro. And yeah, it's just a beautiful design. One more thing, you do have this auto dimming mirror with the compass on it. Love that. You have your SOS button, roadside assistance, and most importantly, your sunroof. And you do have a manual screen over here, which you can manually close and open. All right, Jessica, and there you have it. There is your 2023 Audi A3. It is still available. Please give me a call if you have any interest in it. My number is 508-678-5555. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.